Hello, welcome to Fashion Reel channel. If this is your first time here, kindly go ahead and subscribe and also turn on the notification button. It's totally free. The popularity of Ankara is still at its highest point in 2022. These vibrant and adaptable fashion items provide every woman the freedom to select the appropriate looks and showcase her attractiveness from all angles. We advise you to become familiar with the latest Ankara designs for women in 2022. Choosing a vibrant Ankara gown in any shade of red, from scarlet to burgundy, will help you project the image of an elegant and self-assured lady.